Hello, welcome. My name is Alex. Thank you for being here. This is my yoga YouTube channel. I am here with an all levels flow. No props are required. And it's cold outside today. It's below 70 degrees, I think. Let's start standing at the top of the mat, the top of the space. That's cold for South Florida. Bring awareness to gratitude for the present moment, for the breath, for every sensation. Inhale, reach the arms wide and overhead. Look up between the hands, open the front of the body. Exhale, swan dive forward. Knees can stay soft. Press to stand, palms together. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. You can scoot the hips forward a couple of inches. Look up, reach. Lift out, swan dive forward. Press to stand, palms together. Once more. Inhale, arms reach. Lengthen the torso, lift. Exhale, swan dive forward. Press to stand. Bring the palms to touch. Reconnect to the present moment. Notice what has already shifted mentally, physically. Turn to face the long edge of the mat. Step the feet wide, knees and feet face forward, hands to hips. Fold forward, over separate legs. Keep the weight forward. Lengthen out the breath. Inhale, halfway lift, long flat back. And fold even more. Hands to hips to help you to lift up. Keep the feet where they are. Wrist with the right hand. Try not to arch the lower back. We're going to reach up and over to the right. Press down through the leg. Side body reach. Hello, sunshine. And lift up. Let's switch sides. Remember, try not to arch. Feel the heart rate lifting with the arms overhead. Come back to center. Release the hands. Interlace them behind your back. Roll the shoulder blades together. Inhale, lift the chest. Breathe in again. Exhale, fold over separate legs. Let the arms and hands float over the head. Release your hands to the mat. Let's halfway lift. Walk the hands forward. Ew, the grass is a little bit wet. Twist, right hand down, left arm up. Press down through the feet to keep the hips level. And switch, left hand down, right arm opens. Right hand down. Hands to hips. Let me get this on my new pants. To help you to stand up, big step to the top of the mat, feet together. Inhale, reach the arms wide and overhead. Reach straight up. Exhale, swan dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift. And fold. Step the right foot back to a lunge. Let's lower the right knee, draw the shoulders back, breathe in. And exhale, try to press the legs straight, pyramid pose. Lunge. Lunge twist, right hand down, left arm open. Left hand back down. Big step to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Hands down, left foot back, lunge. Lower the left knee, shoulders draw back. Inhale. Exhale. Try to press the legs straight. Lunge, keep the back knee lifted. Lunge, twist, left hand down, right arm opens. Right hand back down. Step to the top of the mat. Feet together, inhale halfway. And fold. Press to stand. Inhale, arms overhead. Hold the left wrist with the right hand like we did before. Side body reach. Lift up and over to the right. And switch sides. And back to center. Interlace the fingers, palms together. Index fingers out, press a button on the ceiling or a back bend, lift. Lift out, swan dive forward. Halfway lift, long flat back. And from here, hands down, step back to downward dog. Balance on the left foot, right leg reaches up behind you. Let the hip open, keep the shoulders level. Pigeon right side. Modify as needed, take your time. And if you're folding forward, if you're tempted to play on your phone right now, which I definitely know I was, give this a like and then flip your phone over. And pay attention to your body, listen to me, your breath. So when you first wake up, the mind is pretty still. And then as the day happens, as you start to think of things, interact with people, that starts to kind of cloud things up. And that's why mornings are so important for setting the tone of your day. I personally try to film and do my practice immediately. Otherwise, my head is all over the place, and I'm starting to think about like my other yoga channel. Or it's not a yoga channel. It's thunderstorm sounds. But I really just need to be present in this moment. Smooth out any tension that might have come up, that I might have stirred up. It's all about awareness, so you can deal with, heal whatever needs attention. Few more rounds of breath exactly where you are. Option to add on a variation or just sit up. Release back to downward dog. Stand on the right foot, left leg lifts. Pigeon left side. Take your time. Give the second side just as much love and attention as the first side got. I wonder if anyone ever picks up on my really subtle jokes. A few more breaths where you are. Got a little bit longer time to play with a variation if you do that. And thought I saw something fly by. Make your way back to a downward facing dog. Lift onto the toes, tuck the chin, ripple through, upward dog. Lift the chin at the end. And downward dog. Tabletop, untuck the toes, one cat-cow, inhale, arch. Exhale, round. And we're gonna go to neutral spine, camel. Stand up on the knees. Knees hip width, start with the hands on the lower back. One hand at a time. Reach back, bring the heels closer if you need to by tucking the toes. Keep breathing, press down, lift up. Lift out carefully and come to sit on the heels. Sit up tall. We're going to twist to the right. Don't worry about leverage. And to the left. And center. From here, let's tilt the head to the right, the left, draw some circles, focusing on just mostly the head of the neck. Hello, something stopped right there. I did a standing abs workout yesterday and I feel it in my shoulders somehow. I see ducks. All right. Tabletop, one last downward dog. And lower the knees to the mat. Turn to face the long edge of the mat. Left foot in, right foot out. I hear lawnmowers too. The day is starting. Left arm up and over, side body stretch. And lift up, baby wild thing. Sit down, switch. Out the legs. Establish balance between the sit bones, right arm up and over. And lift up, baby wild thing. And sit down, bring the left foot in. Let's just get any stress or knots that appeared by stretching the rest of the body. Hello, good morning, sun. Okay. Inhale, lift the arms above the head. Exhale, twist to the right, float the hands down, sit up tall. Release through center, arms lift wide and overhead. And twist to the left. And back through center for a closing breath. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. Lift up, reach up. Exhale, lower the hands down, close the eyes for a moment. Relax the temples. Be grateful for presence. Be grateful for your presence. I am so grateful for your presence. Keep the eyes closed. No, you have everything you need right now, right here. Prepare to re-experience and feel the light as you blink the eyes open. Notice how you can actually feel the rays as they enter. It is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for your presence. Thank you. Namaste. Namaste. All right. Now your mind can wander all you want it to. Like to hanging out with me on Instagram, blue, B-L-U, yoga.fit. Add my new channel. It should be linked here when I'm talking about it. It's called Calm Human Life, and it is only rainstorms and thunder sounds, blank screen for sleeping. And click on some of the links below. I've got some fun stuff I'd like to share down there. And yeah, I'm going to go see if I can catch up with this lady that my dad hired to come over and talk about putting in like a walkway for his chair so we can go outside. I want to approve the design decisions because I'm better at that than he is. All right. Thank you, guys. You're the best. You're my best friends. Thank you. Namaste.